Go Sure-Fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em, show 'em. Go Sure-Fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair. Even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. I am Sure-Fit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. On this episode of the things that I buy, we have something very important, and that is something that we're gonna definitely need for this summer, ladies, especially us, because it's swimsuit season, it's sundress season, it's having your underarms out, having your belly button out, it's all that, right? And we're gonna have to get our hair together, and I don't mean the hair on our heads because mine is looking fabulous. I'm talking about the hair under our arms. Jesus Christ, look at that hair. If you know me, you know, like, usually I literally do not care about body hair, but this summer I'm about to be going on some trips, trying to dip. You know what I'm saying? And I literally have to be hair free. I've made a video on soft wax before, and now this summer I'm using hard wax. I got a kit, a wax kit from Amazon for under 20 bucks, and your girl can wax at home, because literally waxing at some type of salon costs you an arm and a freaking leg when you can literally do it at home. So guess what? That's what your girl gonna do. It at home. You feel me? So I got a complete wax set, and I still have some wax bags left over from last summer, because honestly I was not on my grind with my waxing. But this summer, you know, your girl, she about to graduate, so she trying to be at the pool parties, you know what I'm saying? So this one is called Emlity. I got it from Amazon, and as you can see, it has 4 bags of wax pearls, the warmer, and 30-piece wax spatula. If you do end up using this for the whole summer and you run out of the spatulas, aka the wooden sticks, the dollar store gotcha. Okay, so these are the hard wax beads, and they are for hair removal, and I did get 4 of these come with it. I got a green bag too, and yellow. I got my 30 wooden sticks. And drum roll please, because this is the main zillio. In this box here we have the wax warmer, and they packed it in bubble wrap. How sweet. It has the cord and the warming settings. It also came with instructions, but who needs that? You got me. So I'm gonna show you guys how this is done and how to get rid of something like this. First things first, plug it up. Turn it all the way on to max, which is 135 degrees Celsius. Get your hard wax beads and pour them in. Place on the top, and these beads will turn into a liquid consistency once it's done, just like this. And go ahead and turn down the temperature just a little bit, and make sure you do a test on your skin before placing it on your skin to make sure it's not too hot. So don't just add a big old glob. But once it's cool and ready for use, put it on the spatula, the wooden stick, and put it on your hairs. It will automatically stick to your skin and the hairs, especially once it cools. I like to put mine on the spatula towards the direction of my hair and try to make a little lip at the very tip, so when I pull it down, it comes off super easily. And when you're removing the wax, make sure you rip it off in the opposite direction that your hair grows, which is exactly why I'm doing my underarms in 2 separate parts. So this first part, of course, the hair grows up, and the bottom the hair grows down, and you can see the wax took off my hair from the root and not how razors do and just take off a little bit, take off the top. So these hairs, I'm placing it downwards. That excess wax at the top, it'll come off with washing, and you can also pick it off. If you didn't get some of the hairs under your arms, you can take tweezers and pull them out or just shave them. I would definitely wait if you wanted to shave it though, because right now my underarms are tender AF. You can see them that they're really red. So basically I just repeat the steps, and once you're ready to use this wax again, you just start over, let the wax melt, put it on the spatula, and literally put it on your hair. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.